join me in my kitchen tour. And I've always dreamt of upgrading and renovating my kitchen. And to make binyag my new kitchen, the one and only, my dear...
Dear or no dear?
Dear or no dear, Chef RV. Dapat pala good mood kapag nagbe-bake next.
Hindi pa tapos.
Ay, hindi pa tapos.
3 times isisif.
Oh my God!
Kasi di ba kaya fluffy yung cake? Okay, we give it a quick tap.
Bakit?
Para kung may mga air bubbles na na-trap, matanggal.
Okay.
Ayan. Ganun lang.
Yun na yun. Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Join me in my kitchen tour. It's been a year-long journey as I renovated my kitchen. When we moved to our condo in 2013, remember, it was like wooden, maple, cherry, ganun yung feel ng kusina ko noon. And we put stainless steel. And I've always dreamt of upgrading and renovating my kitchen. What can I say? Guys, dream come true. And to make binyag my new kitchen, the one and only, my dear, ito yung dear ko.
Dear or no dear?
Dear or no dear, Chef RV. Wait, do you know, I'm not kidding ikaw ang unang magbe-bake sa kitchen ko.
Oh, wow.
No, ikaw talaga.
Oh, thank you.
Unang-una, I don't know how to cook. Diba? Frustrated baker nga ako. Gusto ko maging Nigella. Right? So, it is you. Okay? Para may blessing ang kitchen, anong gagawin natin?
The queso de bola cake.
Unbelievable. Yun ang masarap. I'm not kidding. Alright, so how do we do that?
Ikaw ang gagawa
wait, you're
niyan,
really
ha?
gonna share the ingredients?
Yes, ito talaga yun.
Bilib nga ako sa'yo. Hindi ka insecure sa ingredients mo, hindi ka selfish. Yung iba tinatago yun.
Nako dear, kailangan sinishare lahat yan and kanya-kanyang atake na yan, kanya-kanyang diskarte kung paano mo ibebenta.
I see. What are the ingredients?
So first, this is the chiffon base.
Okay.
So we have cake flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, egg yolks, pineapple juice. Ito yung secret to make it tender.
I see.
And then vegetable oil.
Okay, I have a question. Let's say yung mga tao kailangan gluten-free. Is there another type of flour they can use?
Yes. May mga nabibili na sa market ngayon ng gluten-free flour mix.
Okay, and
Pwede
pareho
na yun.
ang effect.
May slight difference. Hindi mo ma-achieve yung same texture, yung same softness.
Hindi.
Oo, pero nandun yung finished product na it's gluten-free.
Okay, so what do we do now?
We sift the dry ingredients 3 times.
Sift. Spell sift.
Magbabasya ko
Okay.
niya. S-I-F-T.
Yan.
Hindi ko
See,
challenging talagang
yan, calling
ko.
on small. Knowing small, hindi niya alam i-spell ang sift. Okay, ang gagawin natin.
Okay, so this is the cake flour.
Alright.
Cake flour.
Okay, so this
ganito,
is...
dear. Ganito.
Ba, dear? Ano ba, dear?
So, gagamitin mo yung isang kamayan.
Gosh, tinuturo sa baking school.
Yes, otherwise, pag ganyan, there's a tendency na kumalat yung dry ingredients sa paligid.
Ganyan,
And then the sugar, sama-sama sila.
Ganito.
Yes. Or ito yung gagalaw. Itong isang kamay mo is naka-still lang and then you move this one. You move the sifter.
I
Ayan.
love
Very good. Salt.
So, pwede na rin to pang workout of your small muscle.
Yes. Baking powder.
Okay.
Kasi that way, ito katulad nito, I'll show you,
go.
makikita mo may mga lumps.
Ayan, oo.
So pwede mong ipupush mo para siguradong walang buo-buo doon sa finished product. Especially pag mainit, normally yan na yung flour, sugar, nagbubuo-buo.
Nag-iiba ba ang lasa ng cake pag galit ka, pag inspired ka?
Oo.
Really?
Oo.
Hindi, totoo.
O mamaya makikita mo pag nasa folding part na tayo.
Really?
May rule ako na I don't cook, I don't bake kapag ka malungkot ako or pag mainit ang ulo
Because?
ko. Kasi yung pressure, di ba yung isip mo, pag wala ka sa focus, konektado lahat yan eh. So pag ganon, yung halo mo is naiiba.
Naks. Dapat pala good mood kapag nagbe-bake. Next.
Hindi pa tapos.
Ay, hindi pa tapos.
3 times isisif.
Oh my God!
Kasi di ba kaya fluffy yung cake?
Hindi ko kinaya.
So imagine, Miss Karen, ha, pang isang cake lang yan. So the sifting contributes
Oh my
to the
gosh.
fluffiness of the cake. Walang shortcut talaga.
Kaya ang queso de bola ni Chef RV, sikat na sikat. That's iconic for you, ha? Your
Yes.
queso de bola cake. Oh guys, at isa pa. Ito yung third. Look at it, when you do it 3 times, you can really tell na parang nagiging mas fine.
Yes.
Dear, napakaganda yung kitchen countertop ko, dahil antibacterial. I'm not afraid. Hindi ako takot. Kasi antibacterial siya. Okay.
Ang ganda ng kulay.
Ayan,
Love
sa-
it. Oy, nagmamatch sa...
Outfit ko. Di ba?
Oh, dear, look how
Okay.
fluffy it is.
Ay, oo nga.
Diba?
Ang pino. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ang pino na niya. Oh, para na siyang sun sa Boracay.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
And then you make a well dito sa gitna. Magbutas ka lang
Ang
dyan.
dami palang seremonya.
And then we put in the wet ingredients.
Okay,
So I
wet.
have the egg yolk. And
Alright.
this is pineapple juice.
Bakit may pineapple juice?
For the fruity flavor. So
Of
when
the
you eat the
queso de
chiffon,
bola?
hindi mo na, yung parang may nagbabalance.
Yeah.
Although hindi mo talaga siya madidistinguish that there's pineapple juice.
Yeah. Ano yan? Sweetened, unsweetened?
Unsweetened.
Dapat unsweetened. Okay.
Yung acidity niya also helps na magpalambot doon sa chiffon cake. And
And
then let's add the oil.
oil?
And then you mix this until smooth.
Oh my God. Okay. Pero other people, they have a machine.
Yes.
What do you call that?
A mixer mix.
Oh, ikaw nga mag-handle.
Eto, normally pag ganito, ito si Miss Small, first time, pero ganito ang halo niya.
marunong.
Ako, very professional.
Ay, unfair.
Ayan, pag ganito.
Si Small, alam niya? Grabe si Small, ah.
And then you just,
Ay, ang galing mo mag-mix, ah.
you just mix it until wala ka nang nakikitang flour.
O, pwede to.
Yes,
Ganyan.
that's
Ito yung
perfect.
tama. Tamang mixing. Wow. Done like a pro. Okay.
Ayan, so
Yan,
perfect.
ganda na,
Pag
perfect.
wala ng flour, you stop. Eto na, Miss Karen, yung mahirap na part.
Oh my.
It's time for us to prepare the meringue.
Okay. Say it again.
Meringue. Merengue.
Yan, merengue.
Okay.
Pero merang.
Merang.
Merang pala pronunciation
Yes,
ng
merang.
merengue. Totoo. Okay.
Yes, meringue.
Merang.
So we put the egg white and then a bit of the sugar.
And then mix again. Gently
Yes.
na to.
Okay, so now when you're mixing meringue, ganito naman yung way of mixing. Di ba kanina? Ganyan. So ngayon naman,
Ay,
like
layo.
this. Yes. Kasi you want to incorporate
Wow.
air.
You do it with such rhythm.
So you just mix it like that.
Do you like baking more than cooking?
Yes.
Ay, you do. Why?
Yung binanggit mo kanina, it's like you're meditating.
Talaga.
It's very relaxed and talagang whole day mo siyang gagawin. So alam mo wala ka nang ibang pwedeng gawin
Yeah.
kung hindi mag-bake the entire day.
Tingnan mo now, it's so frothy.
So parang
It's
siyang
almost
shaving,
milky.
yes.
Oo, para siyang nakapatong na sa cappuccino. Right? Oh. Yan oh, ang light.
Alam mo, the last time na ganito ako, baking school pa. Na nag-manual ako.
Kasi machine na yung ginagamit niya ngayon. Pero since sa bahay ko po, walang gano'n.
Yes.
Mano-mano tayo sa bahay. Di ba? Okay. At 1 hour after, nag-iba na yung tsura ni siya. Sino ka?
Naging si
Napagod.
Ange na.
Napagod si Chef. Ganong katagal, guys, ha? Ganong katagal.
Yes. Pag
So,
manual mixing.
pag manual mixing, so you have to appreciate the queso de bola cake. My gosh, we have to get another person.
Ayan,
Okay.
malapit na.
Yeah. Okay, now, are we ready? This is good.
Almost.
Ay, almost.
So makikita mo, this, actually, pwede na to. Kasi
Pwede
this
na,
is
ayan.
already soft peak.
Oh, mukha nga ice cream, oh.
Di ba? Para na siyang, yun, ice cream, gelato.
We're not yet done. Oh my God! Sino ka? Bakit naman nag-iba kayo lang nag-mix? Alam nyo, pagod na ka bigla. Sa kami mix ng merang na to. At ibang tao na ngayon ang nag-mix. Si Aya Linda.
Mamaya buong building mo na naghahalo niya. Mirang.
Oh my God! Hindi pala biro to. 4 na tao na
Yes,
nag-mix
hindi
ngayong
po talaga.
araw May potential. Ba't di ka mag-baking class there?
Pwede.
Pwede, enroll kita kay Chef RV. Chef RV is gonna start a baking school.
Yes,
Ah,
soon.
diba?
Ayan, okay na yan.
Okay
yan.
na. Umiiyak na daw. Okay na.
Ayan, so pag inangat mo yan, Miss
Oh,
Karen,
ay, wow. Oh.
pag dumidikit na siya, okay na
Oh,
yan.
dumidikit na okay na. Para na siyang ice cream.
Yes.
Alright.
So
Praise
now,
God.
kailangang ma-fold natin ito dito.
Agad, ikaw na.
Yes, kasi
Paano?
babagsak yan.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
So
may
first,
ganun pala.
1/3 nito, ihahalo natin dito.
Okay.
Ayan, pwede ikaw maghalo.
Oo, ganito. Okay.
Ayan, basta maglighten lang tong isang mixture na to.
Alright.
So
Tonight.
notice, di ba, gumaan.
Gumaan. Oo.
Now, ito na yung folding.
Napaka-seductive mo magturo. Now we stop.
So the folding part is very critical. Kailangan magaan ng kamay mo.
Ay, okay.
Kasi, pag na-deflate mo yung meringue, hindi nagiging fluffy yung cake.
Ay, ang ganda, guys. Look ko.
Ayan, so
Look at
this
it
is the-
now.
The cut and fold. See?
Wow, you are mixing it so well. So elegantly.
Gusto ko yung elegantly, di ba?
Gamitin.
Oo, so pag
Right?
nagbe-bake at napapagod, so elegantly.
Elegantly.
Iba ka talaga.
Diba? You're baking with sophistication.
Di ba? Yung pagod ka, pawisan,
Yeah.
natatanaw mo yung mga hugasan, and then i-replay mo lang yung sinabi ni Miss Karen. You're doing it elegantly.
Elegantly.
Ayan, this is done.
Wow, it's done. Okay. Wow, where do we put it now?
In a baking pan.
Okay. Okay.
Ayan.
All right.
Okay, we give it a quick tap.
Bakit?
Para kung may mga air bubbles na na-trap, matanggal.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ganun lang.
Yun na yun.
And then this goes into a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven.
Dapat preheated na.
Yes.
So,
Ayan.
the oven,
Has been preheated.
ano ba dapat?
350.
350,
So,
pero ito, may convection.
may convection, so binawasan natin mga 325.
Okay.
Kasi pag may fan, mas mainit yung
Okay.
yung punta dito sa product.
So, 35 minutes.
35 to 40.
Okay, wow. Ayan na tayo.
Ayan.
Yan na yun.
Yes.
Okay. Hello!
Hi, Karen. Welcome.
Hi, Ron! Hi, Kat!
Hi.
Wow!
Come in.
Eto na! I'm finally gonna do it, guys! I'm going to do it. So I'm already going to start scouting for a new kitchen.
Yay.
Okay?
Let's cook something up.
Okay,
Here you
tignan
go.
natin. I wanna see this.
Let's
All
introduce
right.
each kitchen to you so you can decide what you really want in terms of feel, function, the total vibe. This is a starter series from Ernesto Meda. The materials here are glass. This is sintered stone. And if you see the cabinets, they're all even. They're all symmetrical.
Okay, what do you mean? Ito yon.
Ito yun.
Oo.
So they hide
Wow!
stuff in.
What is that? A dishwasher?
So, yeah.
My gosh, nagdi-dishwasher ba sa Pilipinas?
Oh,
Talaga?
yes.
Really?
Na
I
talaga.
didn't know na sa Pilipinas may mga binibentang ganito.
Dishwasher,
Oo.
yeah.
Alright, so when you say starter kitchen, why is it called a starter kitchen?
The way it's planned, it's not as fully functional as someone who will really use the kitchen every day, like 3 times a day, 4 times a day.
Okay.
Like if you were Chef RV, you would really use it a lot. But
Yeah.
starter kitchens, you use it for snacks, maybe dinner preparations, you'll have guests once in a while. So not everything is super functional. When I
Okay.
mean by super functional, not everything is naka-drawers.
Okay.
So there are
Uy, ang
areas,
ganda, but still, what do you call this? Yung ganito na biglang
soft closing.
soft close. So isipin nyo, wala nang noise. O, di ba? So you put the cutlery here, mga spoon and fork,
Yes.
etc. So this technology is all Italian?
This is all Italian.
All Italian.
So these cabinets, if you want to see inside,
What is
they
this
come
made
right.
of? Ano ba to?
It's called high melamine. So the boards
Wow.
are already pre-pressed on both sides, and then it's just edged, and it's finished.
Okay, I kind of like this feel. Feel ko to. I love stainless. Ano bang difference if stainless ang countertop over the other materials?
Stainless is warm and cold. So if you
Yeah.
look at this, it's actually warm toned. Stainless also scratches. The other ones don't.
I see.
But the scratches here, it kind of adds character to the kitchen.
That's
the more
why I love-
scratched it is,
Oh.
the better.
What about in terms of cleanliness, bacteria?
Both this one and the sintered stone, they're both antibacterial.
And then, okay, now this you're using, it's more like brown.
Yes.
What do you call this color? Stainless and
Wood grain.
wood grain.
Wood grain.
Okay.
The particular color is called brunette. The way this was designed is there's shelves and this is
Yeah.
solid stainless.
Eto, wow, it looks like this is my color. This is like my feel. Ano to? What do you call this?
This is lacquer. So lacquer is painted, kind of like the way you paint cars, the way you paint your nails. That's lacquer.
Okay.
So lacquer, you don't have the edging. Unlike the first two kitchens where you have the edge, this one you don't. So an example is if you open this, this is also painted.
You know, I want to say, guys, my frustration, I've never had a built-in fridge. Because my fridge is also,
Yeah,
palagi, it's there my space, bibili ka.
And that's the fridge. You really see.
You see the
You
fridge.
see the fridge.
But I want a built-in fridge.
This is your
That's
range
the hood.
because
Oh.
here is
Oh
your
my gosh!
cooktop.
Can you do that again? Natuwa ako dun ha.
Here.
So, kumbaga, if you're not cooking, this is so nice, it's covered.
They really think of everything. If you look at the ends, there's a little button. It's so
So
that
that
it bumps there.
Push it all the way here.
In case, tinan mo,
If you push it here,
tinulak dito.
all
the
the
rest,
way,
the table.
Hindi siya
It won't
madadami.
scratch.
Yeah.
Oo.
And the other side too.
And then, eto na, time to cook.
Time to cook.
Yeah, so, guys, di ako marunong magluto. We'll see, it's not the time. What is this for?
It's a draining pan.
A draining pan. Ang ganda naman nito. And exhaust.
Exhaust.
You can tuck it away.
Oh, nice!
Oh.
So, I noticed that the color palette of Ernesto Meda, neutrals, lights, but more of like earth tones.
They have a lot of earth tones. They have a lot of rich colors. It's really how we play with it. So it depends if Karen, what color you'll choose, what you're
Yeah.
drawn to, what vibe you want. It will
I'm
reflect
kind of
that.
drawn to this color. I don't know what this color is. Ano bang kulay ito?
This is actually gray.
Gray o
Gray. But the finish of this is actually matte glass.
So while Italian design is leading all over the world, Filipinos are also good in making kitchens, right?
yes.
And you are a Filipino company.
Yes.
Okay.
So our group of companies, we're celebrating 30 years this year, and we counted recently, we are in over 50,000 Filipino homes.
Oh, already?
Yes.
Wow, and your company started?
In 1996, we are based in Meycauayan, Bulacan. Our pioneer workers, some are still with us, but their kids are also still with
Ang
us.
galing!
And their
Wow.
grandkids.
So how many workers do you have right now?
Around 450.
You have 450 workers.
Yes.
Okay, and what do you make locally?
So we make the same thing that you see in the showroom. We make kitchen cabinets, we make bedroom closets, we make vanity cabinets, and we install them in homes and high-rises throughout the Philippines.
Okay, so are we saying this is local?
This is local.
Wow, okay. And this is a closet, part of the closet.
Yes.
Yes.
Yung mga gusto mag-walk-in closet, so usually this is in the middle of the walk-in. But all of this is local?
This
Yes.
is all local.
Even
is
this?
local. Yes.
Wow, it just looks like the Ernesto Meda that I saw kanina. So, what do you call this?
Back painted glass.
Back painted glass.
Yeah.
Wow, but look at the quality.
So the materials, like the door hardware, this is imported. The boards are also imported. But when we manufacture, where we cut, edge, install, this is all local na.
So, I want to see what's upstairs. So, upstairs, this is all OSS.
This is all OSS now.
This is locally manufactured.
This is locally manufactured.
This is amazing. I love this. Look at this kitchen, guys. It's locally manufactured.
Yeah.
Parang pag tinignan mo lang, you can't tell. You won't be able to tell, ay, Italian ba yan? French ba yan? US ba yan? Kasi ang ganda ng finish, alright? This is put together in Bulacan.
This is put together in Bulacan.
Galing.
The boards and the hardware are all Austrian. So basically, you're getting a European kitchen.
Pa rin,
Pa rin.
oo.
Pero
Yeah.
again, may top up tayo kasi we're Pinoy. So
Oo.
when we do everything, we clean it by hand. When they deliver it, it's packed.
Yes,
They
oo.
don't do a final touch, final cleaning. So we're a little topped up.
So now we have met, I think, 5 or 6 times already. We've been already doing the design, the planning, ilang beses na kaming nag-meeting. And this is my interior designer. So I want to share with all of you what we've all come up with for the kitchen.
Okay.
All right, so
So
Mais, what is this, right?
first thing first, now we're choosing the colors na. Warmer tone tayo ngayon. So from this, I choose this one.
Okay,
Yun. And then leaning towards po ako with this 3.
love it.
Yes.
After the planning of the kitchen, how long will this take?
Okay, so this will take a while.
Wow.
So first is we put in the orders, and then Italy will manufacture. That's about 12 weeks. And then it goes on a boat, and then it comes here. So give or take maybe 6 months.
When did you first fall in love with making kitchens, making cabinets?
When my dad started this, we also did office cabinets. And, you know, I wasn't so much into offices because I found it like, you're working na nga and then you have to work on
Office pa.
work pa, right? Parang, So what I did was I focused more on the kitchens and I felt na parang mas personal yung kitchens. You actually understand how they live and then you become friends with the owners like you. It's very personal.
Ito po ang original kitchen ng condo namin. So this will be dismantled. It will take roughly 2 to 3 days. And then there's a repainting of the kitchen. And after is the schedule of the installation.
Ernesto Meda is actually like 2 words combined. Ernesto,
not a person?
It's not a person. So Ernesto means tradition and Meda means innovation or put together. So traditional yet innovative.
So after months of waiting, I now have my new kitchen. Okay, so Ron, this was so different before.
We changed it up a bit. So what we did was, this is storage. This is like your cooking zone. And we
Yeah.
actually killed your cooking zone because, as you told us, you don't really cook. And then we hid your refrigerator and your freezer here. And we gave you more storage there because you had a lot of stuff for entertaining and, you know, everyday items. From here, we kept what you liked about your old kitchen, which was the stainless steel countertop. So we used stainless steel, and then we hid your dishwasher, and then gave you more storage on that side.
So eto na ang aking, look, I have more space, right? So dati kasi we didn't have spaces for these. And even here, it's extra space. Dati kasi, this was a dead area. So this Ernesto Meda design, no? So here, look. Now I have my
Coasters.
coasters here.
So this is your smeg fridge.
Yay! I love it! So, di ba, the fridge is built in.
Urong-sulong tayo sa colors natin eh. And then finally, we agreed with palladium. So this color, I think, will match everything, not only for the kitchen and also for the living room and the dining area. And yung layout natin, right now, kung mapapansin mo, talagang mas lighter siya, mas cool siya, and mas chill. Tone down talaga everything.
Yes, toned down. And of course, I still kept what I wanted.
The
And what I
stainless
wanted
steel.
was really a stainless steel
Non-negotiable.
countertop. That's
Yeah.
non-negotiable
Yeah.
kasi stainless steel feels so clean.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And it really is clean.
Yes.
But one thing that changed is
The island.
Island. And
Super
look at it
changed.
now. Ang ganda nito. What do you call this?
This is called Enalco. This countertop is antibacterial. Yeah. One piece for the whole counter. You don't see cuts. Very easy to clean, very easy to maintain, and the surface is cold, so you can actually bake on it.
So much space now for plates. What I find truly special about this is this part is already made in the Philippines.
Yes.
What do you call this?
Now that is matte lacquered. We still have no technology to do the matte glass, but we were able to get the color just right so that
Yeah.
it's also soft.
And ganyan
This is
kagaling ang
locally
Pinoy.
made.
And after 35 minutes,
Yes, eto na
ayun
siya.
na! Oh my!
Careful ha, mainit.
Okay. Alright.
Ayan.
Ayun!
Look how fluffy.
Oo nga, tumaas. Oh, di ba? Wow, because dapat usually gumagamit ng
Cooling rack.
cooling
you
rack.
can use a cooling
Oo.
rack.
Pero because this is sintered stone, it is heat resistant.
Oh,
Marami
wow.
natutunan ko. Yan ang sulit. Dapat tama yung countertop table. Alright. So what do we do now? Tumaas na
So,
na.
pwede mong i-double check kung luto na talaga siya. Ayan, pindutin mong ganon.
Ay, oo nga. Wow, it's so soft.
Okay na siya.
Cook na.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what do we do?
Hintayin natin lumamig mga 10 to 15 minutes.
I see. Grabe pala, baking is patience.
Lagyan natin ng
Kaya,
paste.
so it's like paste, yan, and then,
And then, ito, i-invert mo lang dyan. Look.
wow, yun na! Okay!
Diba?
Alright.
And then, we have a small metal spatula like this. Ito yung ginagamit nating pang-icing.
Oo. Wow, may pushing-pushing ka pa.
And then, we apply the icing. Yan, ganyan
Matrabaho
lang.
pala kahit pag-apply ng icing. Let me try and do
Ikaw
it
na
for
yan,
you.
go.
Okay. Wow!
Ayan. So, this one, pwede na natin look.
Ay, ang,
Spread
bakit
out
ang
ng
galing mo?
ganon.
Oh my God, ba't ang ganda ng sayo? Look at that!
Eh, syempre, ginagawa ko to everyday.
Inano ni Chef, oh.
See?
Oh, linis. Oh, fantastic. Another word for the day.
Fantastic!
Fantastic.
Diba? And then, gilid pa, Miss Karen. Yung gilid ang medyo
Mahirap. Ang bango na nga. I can smell it. Now it is. Voila!
Ayan na.
It is done.
Although,
Eto na
syempre,
po.
hindi kasing ganda ng gawa ng mga bakers
Oo,
namin.
but still, alam mo, actually, kapag bibake nyo para sa bahay, perfect na to.
Yes.
I think kasi kakainin yung pamilya, it's the taste. Right? Okay.
And then, ito na yung pinaka-exciting part.
Okay.
We have here grated queso de bola.
Ayan! Oo, any brand.
Yes, any brand, but we use the one from Holland.
Talaga?
Yes.
Oo. Social mo naman.
makikita mo very fine.
Oo.
And then,
Yan
just
na.
sprinkle it like that.
Oh, I love it. Grabe, ang sarap ng amoy ng
Diba?
queso de bola. That's it eh. Kasi yung pag nilagyan mo ng queso de bola, naa-arrest niya yung sweetness.
Wow, another term, na-arrest. Yan yung social na arrest. Ayan,
My God, ang
almost
ganda, oh.
finished. Kung walang queso de bola, Parmesan cheese is also good.
Really? Pero
Yes.
magkasing sarap? Iba.
Iba yung
Iba.
flavor profile eh.
Love it! My gosh! I love it.
Diba?
It's perfect now. Look at that, it's perfect. Homemade and perfect. So, let us try our labor of love. Ayan na.
So, the queso de bola
Yeah.
cake.
Ang interesting, pero yung gitna, kasi yung buong cake kasi malambot na eh.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi unlike other cakes na kailangan pa sa gitna, may anong tawag doon?
May filling.
May filling. Ito no need because the whole cake is soft. Ayan. Shall we? 1, 2. Itong, I'm not kidding binake namin to. Ito yon. Oh my God! Jackpot talaga. You know, it's a mix. It has to be, hindi lang talaga sa mismong cake, it's the icing. The icing is the winner.
Yes.
My gosh,
Yung marriage nila, di ba? Nung cake and the icing.
iba na naman ngayon. The marriage. Really, really good. I'm not
Yes.
kidding. Winner talaga. For the win!
And this is all yours. Iiwan natin yan sa ref
Oh
mo.
my gosh, so good.